It's fine. Oh.
Oh! I shouldn't have gone for it.
Fucking comeback too. Bro.
Yeah,
We're not doing this. Yo, we're not doing this.
Gotta
This
stop
is
wall
literally
banging, my boy.
literally a 4-kill spread. He's cheating, Chaz.
You hard scope the shit out of that.
I swear I'm hard scoping.
I was gonna say, bro, that glit lasted forever.
I swear I'm hard scoping. Particular way where he had low HP. That's my bad. Oh, hard. Come over here. I know you're out of ammo. No, you do not.
Gotta not chase. We got gung ho on, gang.
Oh fuck no. Chill, I swear I'm really G.